Hello friends, today we are going to be looking into how to automate our mobile application using Java and Appium in Android emulator. This is the part 1 video. So here I just opened the Appium. Okay, here you have to click on start server. This is the step number 1. Okay, the server is started to running. Next, you have to set up your Android emulator. Already have to created one device which is Nexus 5X API 31. So here you can see I didn't install any application. I just created it. That's it. This is the step number 2. Next, step number 3 is you just open your Eclipse. Here you have to create one sample Maven project. Here I have to create one Java class file which is launch application.java. Here we have to create a code for configuration of Appium reset capabilities. Okay, using this reset capabilities, Appium going to be connect with Android emulator. Got it? So before starting your coding part, you have to add some Maven dependency in your pom.xml file. Okay, you just open pom.xml file. I just want to tell you what are the version of dependency I added here. Okay, this is very important. Based upon only this those methods and interface will be support you. Got it? So inside pom.xml file, the first dependency is I added Selenium version which is 4.11.0. Next I added Java client Appium version which is 8.3.0. This is the two dependency really required for starting with Appium session. Got it? The remaining is optional. If you want, you can add it. Okay. So don't worry about this coding part and as well as this pom.xml. What are the dependencies I have to add it? So what you have to do, you just open my blog which is using NATASA tech.wordpress.com. This is my blog site. Once you have to hit this site, you can see mobile automation, right? So here you can go to mobile automation -Android. This section will give you number of blocks. Here you can see the part 1, right? Automate mobile application using Java with Appium. Here I updated all those Maven dependency, what type of version you should install it here. Okay. So for Appium version also I mentioned it here. You just go through this block. It will help you. Here you will get this dependency part and coding part, everything. Okay. Now you can go to Eclipse. Here come to coding part. Here you can see I mentioned reset capabilities which is the basic information of Android. So what is the platform name? Android. What is the platform version? 12.0 and device name and the automation name. Finally I mentioned APK file path. Okay. These things already I covered in my previous video also. You just go through it. Okay. So this video mobile automation 13, right? This video will guide you how to install, how to launch the app, everything I explained into here. Okay. You just follow it. So now this coding part, right? You just execute this program. Here you can see Android driver, right? This host and port number you have to get it from through Appium. That also have to covered in my previous video. Okay. Here what I did, I just set the reset capabilities info and I am going to be click one get started button. That's it. Okay. I am going to be install Uber app. So I have to launch the Uber application. There I am going to be click get started button. This is the action I am going to be perform using programmatically. Okay. Now what I have to do, you just open this emulator. Here you can see I didn't install anything. Now I am going to be run this program. Right click, run as Java application. Once started this program, you can see this Appium server log also will be started to printing here. Okay. The server is started printing Appium log. So parallelly have to watch it this Android emulator. It's going to be install Uber app and launch the app, and I'm going to be click that get started button. Okay. The first of all it's going to be install Appium server. Next it's going to be install Uber Eats. You can see, right, Appium. This Appium server, it is installed it here. Next it's going to be install this APK file. So here I gave 1 lakh seconds of wait time. Okay, what happened sometime due to timer issue, the Appium session is stopped. So you have to rerun it again. Based on that, it will be installed this APK file inside your emulator. Okay. So due to timeout issue, the server is terminated. Now what I have to do, I just increase the time seconds. Again, I am going to be rerun this program. Let's see what will happen. See, here you can see the statement, right? Is installed, right? See, this Uber Eats is installed successfully. Next, it is going to be launch this application. So it is the launcher, right? You can see the status is 200. Now I am going to be click this get started button. See, click is 200. Now the get started button is clicked successfully. It's going to be next screen. You can see it here, Appium driver.click the result, right? Responding to client, the click actions 200. So based on this Appium server log, you can able to analyze exactly what was happening here. Okay, if it is getting 500 error, you just get it no, then you have to rerun it again. Now you can see after clicking on get started button, you will be get the next screen, right? So this is the way you have to install APK and launch the application through programmatically. Okay, thank you guys.